Good morning children, welcome back to maths class. In the last video, what we learned children? We learned about clock and calendar, right? In clock, we learned time, right? So in time what we learned? About seconds, minutes and hour, right? And how to represent time in standard forms. After that what we learnt? Calendar. In calendar we learnt about day, week, month, year, leap year and full moon day, no moon day, right? So after that we started the exercise part, right? In the beginning we solved the practice time and find out, and we also performed some activities. After that, Rani's diary and Rani's puppies, right? And after that, find out. We'll continue the exercise part of tick tick tick. Okay? Holidays are fun. Atik's holidays had begun. He was very excited. He had made some wonderful plans and wanted to tell his cousin Shabana. So he wrote her a letter. Children, this is a personal letter, that's why you need not write subject. Okay? Azmir, see, it is a way of representing date. Date, month, year, right? So 1506. Dear Shabana Appa, hello, how are you? I am fine here. Appa, my holidays have started from today. I am going to my nanny's place on 5506. I will be back on 2506. My school will reopen on 3606. When does your school close? Why don't you come here? We will have great fun. Bye for now, Atif. When he will be going to his nanny's house, that is 5506. When he will be coming back, 2506. Now 20 minus 5 will
for how many days he will be going
15.
to his nanny's house, that is 20 minus 5 will be equals to 15. So 50 for 15 days he will be going to his nanny's house.
Shabana, who stays in Nagpur, got this letter on 6506. Children, when he wrote a letter? First, 506. When she got this letter? 6506.
When did she get the letter?
Which is the big number? 6 or 1? 6, right? So 6 minus 1 will be equals to 5.
She got letter after 5 days.
Nagpur, when she is writing 7506. Okay. Dear Atif, hello. I am doing well here. I got your letter yesterday. Happy holidays. My school will close on 1st June 2006. June is nothing but a number. Which month it is? 6th. Right? So, it will reopen on 10th August. I will go on a school trip to Goa and I will return on 7606. I'll try to come to Azmir after that. Bye. So, see, when Shabana's school closed, 1/6/2006, right? So when school will reopen? 10th August of 2006 only. Okay, I will go on a school trip to Goa. So which place she is going for trip? Goa. And when she will get back to, and when she will return from the trip? 7606. Okay, so Atif wrote his letter on 1506. You remember how we write the date in numbers? Of course, you know how to write date in number, right? So how we'll write? First day we will write, after that month, after that year. Now write which date these stand for. 5506, 5 May 2006, 2506. Children, 20 is nothing but date. See, fifth month means which month, children? May, right? So 20 May 2006. Next one, 7/6/2006. 6th month means June. 7 June 2006. First month, which is the first month, children? January. 1 January 2007. Okay. Now you have to write opposite. So in this form they gave, we wrote in this form. Now they gave in this form. How we have to write? Like this. In numbers we have to write. Okay. You will write, na children. This is a homework. Okay. Next one. How long did it take the letter to reach from Ajmer to Nagpur? I already
Calculated here, that is 5 days. How many days will Atif spend at his Nani's place? He spent 15 days at his Nani's place. Fill in the table from to number of days.
Shabana's holiday. When Shabana's holiday will start?
1/6/2006.
So 1/6/2006. Okay. So when her school will reopen? On 10th August, right? 10th August means which month, children? In number? 8th month. So 8, 10, 8, 2006, right? Next, Atif's holidays.
When Atif's holidays are started, children? It's on 1/5/06.
1/5/2006, right? My school will reopen on 36/06. 36/06, that is 61 days. How we will calculate, children? Year are same, so no need to calculate year. Months are different, right? So I'll calculate 8 minus 6, which is the big number that I'll take first. 8 minus 6 will be equals to 2. How we consider? 1 month will be equals to 30 days we'll consider, right? So that means for 2 months 30 plus 30 will be equals to 60 days. 60 days plus here we have different dates.
Now I add these two also.
60 plus 10 will be equals to 70. 70 plus 1, 71 days holidays. Okay. Here also same. 6 minus 5 will be equals to 1. Middle number indicates what? Months. 1 month means 30 days, right? So 30 plus which date? 30 plus 1. 30 plus 30, 60 plus 1, 61 days. So Atif's holidays are 61 days, Shabana's holidays are 71 days. 71 is bigger than 61, right? That's why Shabana got more holidays. Which long holidays do you get in school? Fill the table. This is a homework. Okay? Write down that. On 15th May 2006, Chandran went to a shop to buy butter. He checked the packet to see if this butter was safe to eat. It was written on the packet, best before 180 days from the date of packing. Then he checked the date of packing. It was 15/1/2006. Help him find out if he should buy this butter or not. In which month was the butter packed? Children, in which month the butter was packed? How will represent date? That is, this is the day, right? This is the month and this is the year, right? So in which month was the butter packed? First month, that is January, right? January. Which month will it be 180 days after 15/1/2006? Children, from 15/1/2006 to till what date? It will be 180 days. We have to calculate that, right? So normally, as I told before, only for 1 month, how many days we'll consider? 30 days, right? So 1 month plus 30, 60 days, right? 60 plus 30, 90 days. 90 plus 30, 120 days. 120 plus 30,
150. 150 plus 30, 180. So, children, from January to February, February to March, March to April, April to May, May to June, June to July. Okay, so from July to August, it will be 6 months, right?
from this date to this date you can eat a butter, okay? Can Chandran eat it on 15th May 2006? See, when is the manufacture date? 01. What about the expiry date? 07. He can eat in May, no? May means which month, children? In number? 5th month, right? So he can eat in 5th month, right? Because 5th month will come between these 2 months. So, what you have to write? Yes. Do you ever check the date of packing of things you buy? Have you seen medicines which have the expiry date written on them? It tells you after which date it is unsafe to take the medicine. Find out which are the other things that come with an expiry date. On a cough syrup, it was written manufacture date 7/3. Children, whenever they'll give like this, no, here they didn't mention the date, okay? Only month and year they'll mention. This is month and year, okay? This shows it was made in July 2003, right? When the medicine cough syrup was made? July 2003. Expiry date 7/5. Shows the month and year till when it is safe to take. So, what month and year written as 7/5?
7th month means which one, children? July, right? So, July 2005.
Would it be safe to take the cough syrup in September 2005? No. No, because manufacture date was expired. After expiring, you should not take medicines
Because it may cause health issues and allergic diseases, and it acts as a poison. Children, now we'll see one live example. This is Bylin. Now we'll check the manufacture date and expiry date. MFG May 2018 is there, no? That is the manufacture date, and used before April 2021 is there, no? That is the expiry date of this product, okay? Children, like this only you collect 4 different types of products in your house and make a note of manufacture date and expiry date, okay? Today we'll wind up here only. In the next class we'll continue with the new concept. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.